A VW Sharan, 2 litre diesel. You've got a flat battery. It's winter time now, so batteries can suddenly go on you, or for whatever reason you need to change this battery. Today's video is going to show you how to change the battery on it. This is a 17 plate, but we'll just show you how to change the battery on that. So let's get straight to the chase. What we need to do is take this panel off here, because to get the battery out, we've got to get this out, because we need to pull the battery this way. That's got to come out. To get that out, you've got to take this section off. So first of all, we need some torque bits here and here. We'll take this bit out. So now what we can do, we can take this panel off here. So it comes there, and there's a clip there. We push that clip in there, and then this comes up here, and then we can take this panel off like that. We need to unclip this section here. Okay, so that's out. So now we can try and get this thing off. So now down here, there's a hex bit there, 5mm hex. We'll take that, undo that bolt. So we've undone that one there, and then this here, there's a plastic. This is like a plastic grommet. You've got to pull that. It feels a bit hard. You pull that, and that comes out there. There's another one in the middle here with a rubber grommet, and you really have to lift this really hard, and you feel like you're going to bust something, but don't worry about that. That comes up. Now we need to get some pliers on there, squeeze that together so we can take that off. But before we do that, we just need to unclip the pipe here. That comes off there, like that. And then we just need to disconnect this one here, which is on this side. You need to lift that up, lift that little clip up, and then squeeze it like that. That's right, and it comes off. So you've got that off there like that. So now we just put some pliers on there, squeeze that, and move that back. Okay, so we've now pulled that out of there, which then means generally this whole thing could come off. That's just a drain. So that's a drain. So that's just like a drain. Drain for, look, there's a little filter down there. Okay, so that's gone. Now, be very careful you don't put anything in there. Sometimes if you want to be extra careful, you can plug it up with something. Okay, so now, after all that, we're in a position to start looking to take this battery off. So the battery clamp is there, and that's a 13mm. Do that, and then 10mm to undo. We're just going to be extra specially safe, and we're going to actually put a 12-volt supply onto that and here, just while we're doing the battery, so that the car, the ECU still thinks it's got a decent battery on it. I mean, this is flat, but it's still got enough power to run the ECU. So we're going to undo that with a 13mm, and we'll take these off, but we'll clamp onto that, across onto a spare battery in that vehicle. Okay, so we've just jumped off of the van onto there and there. I mean, I wouldn't normally do this, but as it a climb, we're just going to do that just to be extra especially careful. So we've put a 10mm on that, and we'll undo that, and now it's got, when we take this off, it's still got 12 volts. Okay, so we've just wrapped that up there safe, because you don't want it shorting onto the body. So now we need to take this cover off. So the way we take that, we've got to pull these little clips out of here, and then this cover here can come off like that. So the little jacket's there, and now we can start moving the battery forward. So we can lift one up with the handle, lift it up, and move the battery forward a bit. Now that the battery's come forward a little bit, it allows us to take this. We can take this cap off here, and then we've got the other one here. So we can undo that now and take the negative off here. So that's come off up there. So now we can pull the whole battery out. So there you go. Okay, so when we put the new one back in, we've got to make sure you get it clipped under here, and then we're good to go. That's on there, tight. Make sure that this is clipped in along the back here. It's quite easy to have that off a little bit. Make sure it's square, and it's all in. You can see that it's clipped in there, down the bottom there. And then that's all tight. We can put this bit back on. That covers back in there. Look, that's nice. Okay, so what we can do now is put the bolt there and clamp that back in. Let's put this matting around. Right, the cover's all back in. That's good. Now what we'll do is we will reconnect that up there. We're going to take this now and put that back on there. So obviously we need to take that cover off there, and we're going to take this and transfer it onto there. I need to unwrap that, and then we'll move it onto there. Okay, that's on there. I had to put a screwdriver in there just to open that up a bit, but that's in there solid. So now we can tighten this up. Now that's tight. We can actually undo this clip, because obviously the battery's got power, so we can undo this one here and get that out of the way. And same with this one here. Okay, so that's all good. So basically we can put that back to bed. I think the battery we've put on is just a little bit bigger than sometimes it can be 5 or 10mm bigger. So we'll put this all back. So make sure those are out there first, and then we can clip this bit back in. And remember that it goes on these two points here. Yeah. Got to push that down hard till it clicks in. Yeah. And then make sure you can get that in here. That's right. Push that in. Right, it's got to come right in here. That's right. Yeah. So now we can squeeze that. Squeeze this clip here and bring it across. Yeah, so that's on there now. So then you can just put that one on. Push. Remember to push that little clip down, which is done. Yeah. And then that one on there. That clips in there. So good to go there. All right. So that's it.
Sharan.
Yeah. Now we've got this 5mm hex to screw in there. While we're here, if you like the channel, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up or send me a comment. That's tight. Yeah, make sure that's seating right there. Yeah, that's right there. There. That's clipped in there. On this, just make sure there's a little clip here on the back. Make sure that's clipped into that little clip there. So that should all be flush there, which it is, and that's in there. It's good. Okay, that's all on there solid. So that's it, job done. Hope you found this video useful. Just remember, you can do it, and see you on the next video.